Very good morning, students. We will continue our chapter Comparative Development Experiences of India and its Neighbors. Today, we will discuss the features of the economy of Pakistan. Mixed economic system. Pakistan follows the mixed economy model with coexistence of public and private sectors. Introduction of various policies. In the late 1950 and 1960s, Pakistan introduced many regulated policies. The policy combined tariff protection for manufacturing of consumer goods together with direct import controls on competing imports. Green Revolution. In case of agriculture, the introduction of green revolution, an increase in public investment in infrastructure led to a rise in production of food grains. This changed the agrarian structure drastically. Importance to role of public sector in early 1970s. In the early 1970s, nationalization of capital good industries took place. Importance to role of private sector in late 1970s. In the late 1970s, there was a shift in the government policy when it adopted the policy of denationalization. Government encouraged the private sector and offered various incentives to them. All this created a conducive climate for new investment. Financial support during late 1970s. During this period, Pakistan received financial support from Western nations and remittances from immigrants to the Middle East. This helped the economy in the economic growth. In 1988, reforms were initiated in the Pakistan. Yes, friends. Now we will discuss demographic indicators of India, China, and Pakistan. Every 6 person in the world, one is an Indian and another one is a Chinese. Population in Pakistan is only 1/10 of China. You can see the demographic indicators on the basis of 2015. First of all, estimated population. China is the most populous country in the world. India is the second most populated country. As compared to China or India, India's population of Pakistan is very less, 212 million. Growth rate of population, annual growth of population 1.03 in India, 0.46 in China, 2.05 in Pakistan. China is the most populated country, but its annual growth rate of population is the lowest as compared to India and Pakistan. Why? What is the reason for this? The reason for the low growth of population is one child policy introduced in China in the late 1970s. One child policy of China has successfully reduced the growth rate of population and provides a better health services for women. and has reduced the risk of death. This policy has some other implications also. For example, after a few decades, there will be more elderly people in the proportion to young people. In China, this will force China to take steps to provide social security measures with fewer workers. Now, we will discuss density of population. China is the third largest country in the world, and growth rate of population is lowest in China as compared to India and Pakistan. As a result, density of population of China is lowest 148 per square kilometer as compared to India 454 and Pakistan 275 per square kilometer. Sex ratio due to preference of son, sex ratio is low and biased against females in all three countries. Sex ratio is the lowest in India, 924 females per thousand males. In China, 949, Pakistan, 943 females per thousand males. Fertility rate is calculated as the number of children born by women in the reproducing age. On an average, urbanization is the highest in China, 59%, in India, 34%, Pakistan, 37%. We will continue our chapter tomorrow. Thank you. All the best.